Hello everybody and welcome to another IGL Coatings online training tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to be talking about shower screens. We're going to be using IGL Erase, which is a marine grade water spot remover. It is a new product and it is actually stronger than IGL Delete. So to clean up the glass and the mineral deposits using IGL Erase, quite simply and literally just pour some product onto a clean microfiber cloth, and be very careful, and you must wear gloves because it is acidic, and gently wipe away. You will see in front of you the mineral deposits immediately dissolve, leaving you with perfect glass. So that would be my first point of call, and what I'll do is I'll wipe down the other side as well so you can see how clear this glass is now. It is like brand new. It is literally as simple as that to remove mineral deposits of shower screens using IGL Erase. Crystal clear glass, as simple as that. However, if you find that IGL Erase doesn't work, you can also use IGL Glass Plus in a similar manner, but you will have to polish off those mineral deposits because it is a polish as well as a mineral deposit remover. But what makes IGL Erase even better than Glass Plus for this sort of cleaning and application is you can use it on the stainless steels and alloys to remove the mineral deposit and make them look brand new. So you can coat them with IGL Eclipse. And Glass Plus can't do that because it's an abrasive, it will scratch those surfaces. Before we get stuck into this any further, I hope you enjoyed the before and after and found it as mind-blowing as I have, because you're not always going to be dealing with brand new shower screens or brand new glass pool fencing. So this is the power of IGL Erase and also IGL Glass Plus. You probably can't see it from this angle, but I could quite easily walk through this because I can't see any glass at all. It is completely perfectly clean, where this looks like it's 20 years old. So now I'm going to do the rest of the shower and we're going to be coating it as normal as per our IGL window coating tutorial. So thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you have found it informative and I look forward to presenting the rest of the tutorial courses for you.